Hi, I'm Dr. Claudia Kim, cosmetic surgeon here at New Look New Life. Today, I'm going to talk about PDRN. That stands for Polydeoxyribonucleotide, big mouthful. It's a type of regenerative medicine that's becoming really popular in aesthetics. And you may have heard of it on social media as salmon sperm facial or under the brand name rejuvenate. And it is the current rage in Korea. And they're obviously known for their glass skin and the innovative skincare. So what is it? PDRN is derived from salmon DNA and it's highly biocompatible. It works by stimulating tissue repair and regenerating skin and collagen. How does it actually work? PDRN activates the adenosine receptor and that increases the blood flow to the area. It reduces inflammation and it stimulates fibroblasts to produce collagen and elastin. So all of these modalities really to help promote skin growth, healing the skin. And what does it treat? PDRN is used for skin regeneration, rejuvenation. It helps with the fine lines and texture, hyperpigmentation, and dullness. It's also effective in scar repair, such as acne scars, traumatic scars, and it is being currently studied for wound healing, diabetic ulcers, and even hair growth. How is PDRN delivered? So most commonly by micro injections, actually using the needle to inject across the treatment area. You can combine it with microneedling because microneedling already creates those little microchannels for the PDRN to be absorbed, or you can actually infuse it through mesotherapy devices. There are some products that come in the topical form, but the actual injection are still the gold standard. What does the treatment feel like? You would initially numb the patient's face and the PDRN is injected in tiny little bumps across the skin. So mild swelling or redness or bruising can occur, but usually resolves in a day or two. And there's really little to no downtime afterwards. And how many sessions of PDRN are needed? So typically a series of 3 to 4 treatments, and you space them out about 4 to 6 weeks apart. And the results are progressive as collagen builds and the skin heals and regenerates. What about the safety of PDRN? Because it is derived from salmon DNA, it is really well tolerated and reactions are rare, but the main risks are the temporary swelling, redness, or small bruises at the injection sites. And it's especially useful for post-laser or after more aggressive resurfacing such as CO2 lasers, fractional lasers, because it accelerates recovery. So to sum up everything, PDRN is a really powerful regenerative therapy that we're seeing emerge into the market. It boosts healing, it improves collagen, it restores healthier, more radiant skin, and it really does this with minimal downtime and a strong safety profile. It's really one of the new exciting biologic tools that we are now seeing in aesthetic medicine. So I hope you guys learned a little bit about PDRN today. Stay tuned for other videos in aesthetic medicine.